Hello, today I'm going to be looking around the garden, looking under rocks and stones to see if we can find any bugs and spiders. Why don't you come along and have a look with me? So let's have a look here. This is my rose and I've got some big shells on the top. See if there's anything in there. Can we see anything? Not really, is there? Just some twigs. Let's have a look under the other shells. Nothing there either. Nothing under that shell either. See how big they are? Really big shells. Let's move on and have a look. Have a look under this plant. Let's take the plant pot out and see. Wow, look at that. A snail. Can you see its nice shell? And the snail peeping out the top. See if we can have a look. If you look in the plant pot, there's some other snails there too. 1, 2, 3, 4. They'll like it in here because it's nice and dark and a bit wet at the minute as well. Let's move around the garden a little bit. It's my little plant pot man there, look. Let's look under this ivy, see if we can see anything. There's another snail, look, hiding. You see him with his shell? I bet there's lots of spiders in here hiding away. Oh, there's another snail, look. It's a good day for snails because it's just been raining, so it's all a bit damp. Let's move on a little bit. Have a look under here. Nothing there. Look under the other small tortoise. Nothing there. They're not real, by the way, they're just pot ones. Now looking over here, I've got a log pile at the bottom of my garden. See that? That's quite nice for all the bugs to make their homes. There's a lot of cobwebs. There's a big cobweb, look. So I'm sure there's lots of big spiders in here. Shall we have a look, see if we can try and find one? Let's see. Hope it's not too big. I don't mind spiders, but not really big spiders. Is there any little bugs? Oh, there's some, look. See those moving away? Move some more logs. See if we can see them a little bit better. Oh, there you go. There's one, look. You see him? Moving around. Let's have a look in here. Ugh. Great big spider's web there, look. Oh, look, there he is. You see that? Do you see the spider? See if he'll move, shall we? I'm not going to touch him though. I'm not hurting him. Oh, he's really quick. I missed him. He's gone right down the bottom. Let's see if we can find him. It's a bit cobwebby. I think he's hiding from me now. Let's try and find something else. Now here's a really big spider. Let's see if he moves. He's huge. I wouldn't want him inside my house. There we go, little spider. There you go. He's gone down to hide in between all the logs, look. So if you move flower pots, you never know what you might find underneath. So let's have a look under here. You watching? Oh, look at all of those earwigs. Loads of earwigs scuttling around. All under that flower pot, look. See? So these holes here in the garden are ants' nests. You've probably all seen these before. They're very common this time of year. If you have a close look, can you see all the ants in that hole? And soon there'll be some flying ants as well. I expect there's loads of ants in these holes. And soon they'll all come crawling out of the pavement, probably when they see me here, trying to bite me. Oh, here we go, look. Loads of ants. All crawling around. I think there's some flying ants in there as well. There's a flying ant. Did you see the wings on that one? And when the flying ants come out, the seagulls eat those, and it makes the seagulls appear drunk, and they fall all over the place. But seagulls really like to eat these flying ants. There you go, look, can you see them? So I hope you enjoyed my nature trail bug hunt around the garden. If you look on our timetable, there's a nature trail that you can do too. You could either do that in your garden or when you're going out for a walk. See how many things you can find. Good luck. Bye.